Today we're going to make some air-fried peach turnovers. All right. Howdy, thanks for joining me. I'm Wayne. A while back we unboxed and showed you how to use the Emeril Lagasse air fryer. Well, today we're going to make some peach turnovers. So what you're going to need is some rolled pie dough like this. Okay, some pie filling. Peach is what I'm using. You can use any kind you want, I guess, but I'm making peach today. And we'll show you how to do it. Okay, let's open up the pie dough here. It says it's rolled and ready to go, so we'll just open it up here. Get it out. There's two of them here. Okay. See what we can do here. Careful, these knives are sharp, so here we go. Okay, we've cleaned our table off so we know it's good and clean. Unroll the pie dough like so, if you can get it off. There we go. Well, I guess we can't, can we? There we go. Now it's going. Okay, unroll it like so. This pie dough's not cooperating real good, is it? Okay. Well, anyway, what we're going to do, we're going to square it off here. Okay. Kind of like so. So let's see what we can do here now. We'll cut this one into a square like that. Okay. There's our pie. Now what we're going to do, we're going to put our filling in here, and we're going to roll it over like that. Okay. So let's take a tablespoonful here and see what we can do. There's one. Maybe we get two of them in here, like so. Okay. Let's start with that one. Okay. Well, let's just pull it over here and make a little square out of it, like so. Okay. And then what we're going to have to do now is crunch our edges together here like so. Like so. Okay. There's our first one ready to go. Let's do another one, okay? Put it right there like so. Maybe a little bit more dressing in it, or filling, like so. Okay. Now then, you can do these, if you make them in good squares, you can do them corner to corner, but I'm not doing that, so I'm just sealing them up right there. See how we do that? Seal it up. There we go. Now we're ready to go cook it. We're going to cook a couple of them and see how they do. Alright, we're going to turn on our oven here, our cooker. We want it down 320 degrees, okay? For 3 minutes to warm up, okay? And let it go. There it goes, it's warming up now. Takes it about 3 minutes to warm up. Then we're going to cook this for 15 minutes on 320 degrees. I think we'll turn them over about halfway through, and we'll have some peach turnovers. 2 minutes left, it says. See, it's at 320. That's Fahrenheit, by the way. One minute, it says. Looks like it's about ready, doesn't it? There we go, it's warmed up now. We're going to put the pies in. Remember, 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Okay, let's pull the drawer out like so. Remember, this drawer is hot, so be careful. Here's our turnovers. As you can see, we've already got them done. We're going to put them right in there like that. Put this one right in here like that. Close the drawer. Now, we want to go temperature to 320 for 15 minutes. Alright? And let it go. About halfway through, we're going to turn them over. "13 minutes. Well, I can hardly wait for these. They sound like they're going to be good. I'm a big peach fan. about time to turn them over, isn't it? All we have to do is just pull the drawer, like so. Take our little pies, turn them over, like so. Okay, put it back in, and let it finish cooking. Getting close, 2 minutes. They are done. All right. Let's take them out of there. Woo! They got a little hot, didn't they? Wow. Okay, let's... That one right there. This one kind of popped open just a little bit, but we'll put it back. Okay. There. We'll clean this up in a little while, but right now, we're going to go eat. And here's our turnovers. We're going to sprinkle a little sugar on them while they're still hot here. All right. That looks good. Let them cool just a minute. We'll try them out. Well, let's see. If these are not too hot, I may have to try a bite of it. Sure does look good. Let's try it. it's good. Still pretty warm though. Put the sugar over them. Look. Kind of crunchy, came apart. Sure is warm. It's good. Peach turnover. Well, you can see how it's done. Only took us about 20 minutes with preparation and everything. And it was pretty easy to make. And they're very good. I'm kind of impressed. So we want to thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, that way you won't miss any. Go check out our taste test playlist. A lot of other things under there too. And if you can, please help support this channel. You can send us things to video. We have people send us baseball card packs and just various things. We'll video them and get them up here for you. If you'd like to leave a donation, there's links in the description below to Patreon, PayPal, both. And we'll see you next time.